Hello ma'am, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you some important form which need to complete for your local SEO. You can see here. So first of all, you need to go this link. I'm sending this link to you. So when you click this link, you will go this page and local SEO. So first of all, you can see here the business information. So your business business type, I think organization, or you can select any type of your business. Then your business address. Then if you need more business address, line 2, you can type here. And then business city and the business state. Then your zip code, country, latitude, longitude. This is for Google Maps, so you don't need to include this, because when you include all of information, I can understand what your latitude and longitude, so I can include them. Then your business phone number, and if you need more phone number, you can put your information. So when you complete all the field of this form, just click this save button. Then the second step, our opening hours. So you can select your opening hours, so that when a customer searching on Google, let's say I'm searching resume service near me, and you can see the Google showing me some result, resume service, then some business provider like you, here their website and direction you can see. So this is the Google map. So when you complete the business information, opening hours, you can see the hours, and then map setting. I can give you a Google Map API key, so you just complete the first business information, then opening hours, then not need the advanced setting, then commerce. Just two step, I mean two option. First the business information, and the second is opening hours form. Thank you.